Hey guys, it's Wolfie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit a character PSD. I love doing this. I did it for my friend Danny today. This is what I ended up making her. And I realized how much I really miss making these. They're actually not that hard to make if you have a template. They're extremely hard to make if you don't have a template. Like if you make it from scratch, like my friend Colson can do. It takes a lot of work and the result can be like truly beautiful. But for me, I'm an editor, I edit it, and I have a couple different websites that I go to get these templates. And this is one that I found today, and I just thought it was gorgeous, and it fit Danny so well. So I just saw a post, a status stream from someone wanting an About Me template, and I came across this one, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Her color scheme is pink, a bit lighter pink than this, so I'm sure I can go ahead and change that. And I think it would look really beautiful on her profile. But if she hates it, that's totally okay. And I get a video out of it, so it's totally fine. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to edit it, and I'm going to put it on this a bit of a smaller scale. Even though it's about the same, but this is a little bit bigger, and I don't want that. So I definitely want it to be something that's going to fit well on her profile. So yeah, enough of me gibbering jabbering around. Let's get started. So the first thing I do, or I try to do when I edit these templates, is I need the right text. I need to make sure I have all the fonts in my Photoshop ready to go. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to tell me exactly what I need. It's telling me I need Hermes. So let's go on the internet and try to find it. Is that it? That's definitely not it. No, it's the cursive one that I clicked on, I'm pretty sure. What? Okay, I think they titled it Lauren Alexander. The font from Hermes. Did I spell it wrong? Am I crazy? It's telling me it's this, but that's not what that is. I have a font similar to this. I don't remember what it is, though. I don't know if it's Modesty or... might be Modesty. Yeah, I think it's Modesty, so I'll just bump that up a little bit. Keep Alexander, her name. See, that's a bit too much for me. There's a trouble one, because usually I don't have any problem finding the fonts I need, and this one I'm just not finding. So let me try going to defont.com under like it's time for me to butcher a word. Calligraphy. I think I did it. I think I did it. Oh, it's really pretty, and that one's pretty. All right, I'm gonna try this one. See what happens. Hopefully it'll be all right. What was it just called? I'm so bad. I can't pronounce that. That's not what it's called, is it? No. Yeah. H-I-J. There we go. Okay, that works. Okay, I feel that it was all in one text layer for some reason. That was weird. Oh wait, her last name is Acosta. So it was white. Gotta bring that down a couple notches. And it was all caps. And it was a real simple font. It wasn't anything crazy. It wasn't that exactly. What can I use? I think I like that. Or whatever this font is. Arial? Try Arial. See if I like that better. It's about the same. It's not. Okay. She's probably in her 20s, so I'll do like 20. Leo. Okay, so that was an extremely easy edit. That wasn't anything too flashy, so I don't think this video ran too long. So I think I'm gonna try to do another one, maybe. But now I have to move everything I just did onto this here. So for that, I make sure all my groups are closed, and I just start moving everything to this other layer here. Just start moving things over. That's gonna go here. We definitely want that little space in between the two. And I can get rid of that background. Okay. And then they had clipping masks on these. So when you see a little arrow pointing down, usually that means that picture has been clipped. Usually. So again, we're going to do a create clipping mask there. It's not going to do anything because it was already in place. Okay. And we have this, which is the box on that photo. How did they have it there? Oh, she had her face inside, that's why. So, looks good. Remove that. Right there seems good. Okay, it's gonna be on the pink. I'm just gonna move that down just a tiny bit. And usually you wouldn't have to do all this fancy stuff. But again, I want this banner on a smaller scale because of how our profiles are usually set up. They had a line on there. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Ugh. It was like the difficult part where every layer wants to like select itself when you want one thing. So So in this situation, I could hide all the text layers, even though that's annoying. I'll hide that layer too. Oh my god, it won't select like the one thing that I want. Okay. In that situation where it really doesn't want to work with you, that's why we have command arrows, so we can get it to where it needs to go. Looks good. Yeah. I think I might. Nope, not gonna do that. Move it here. Looks fine. Not sure you're going above a costa, I believe. Not really sure what that layer was for. Not yours, and I believe this is the PSD. Yep. Okay. So I'm just gonna end the video here because I probably did run to about like 15 minutes now. So I now don't need that anymore. I'm really happy with that. It looks pretty good. And like I said before, you won't have to worry about the dimensions too much, but because I'm doing this on a smaller scale for this person, that's the only reason why. Otherwise, you would just open the PSD and just start editing to your liking. So now I'm gonna flatten my image. I'm gonna go to save. This is for a girl named Effie on my desktop. And I'm just gonna send her a little message. Unless she's replied to me yet, which I don't think so. No, so I'm just gonna send her a message. Okay, so that is the end of this video. Comment with what you want to see next. I'd be more than happy to record it. Bye.